to our Arkel Training Academy videos channel. In this video, we will show you how to program the G&Z Plus Announcement device and its connections. The G&Z Plus box includes one 8-ohm 3-watt speaker and the G&Z Plus device itself. The new box G&Z device has all the necessary files on the SD card, which is included. If you are using a new SD card and the files are not included, you can download all necessary files from our website, www.arkel.eu. Enter the technical support page with your username and password. If you haven't registered yourself before, you can register yourself by clicking on New User Registration. After you have accessed with your account, under the software section below G&Z Voice Announcement device, download the related G&Z Plus files. Extract the folders in the archive file to the desktop. Insert the G&Z SD card into the computer and copy the G&Z files to the SD card. You can see the SD card content in the video. There is a related audio file in each folder. If you want, you can delete the audio files in these folders manually and copy your own MP3 format audio files into the folders. G&Z Plus must be programmed to be able to work. Open the G&Z config file. First of all, operating mode of G&Z Plus card will be selected according to the operating mode. G&Z Plus can operate in M1, binary, grey, or with R code, R cube, ARL 700, ARL 500 CAN bus modes. As a note, the operating mode for ARL 700, R code, and R cube must be selected as R code. Afterwards, repeat interval for out of service sound, repeat interval for overload sound, and standby delay time can be optionally activated. Optionally, silent mode start time can be activated when using CAN bus. Then, click Create Configuration File. Then, under Use Default Voices, select the floor settings related to the structure of your elevator. Select the language you want and click on Load Default Voices. Then, the audio files are arranged in the SD card content and the appropriate structure. Plug the SD card back into the G&Z device. G&Z Plus can be connected via a CAN bus as a serial or parallel grey binary. If serial connection is used, a software update is required after the connection. You can find more details about the G&Z Plus connection by checking the electrical diagrams. For parallel connection, you can see here the grey binary triggering inputs, ding-dong input, speaker connection, and 100/1000 supply. In parallel connection, DD connection is mandatory. Optionally overload, out of service, and also different announcements can be announced by using the PI inputs. In addition, there is a volume adjustment trim pot for music and announcement.